Welcome to my channel Learning Hub. I have created this Excel sheet with the help of drop down menus and some Excel formulas. In this video, I'll show you how I have created this Excel sheet step by step. So you have to see the full video and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are new. Please like, share and press the bell icon.
I have created this simple Excel sheet where you can see I have put it a menu card that is having some pizza, burger, French fries, pasta, and many more items with their price available over here. And here you can order whatever you want to buy. And I have created some drop down menus and used some Excel formulas to calculate the total price. I have also put GST of 18% over here, so the total amount will be calculated with the amount to be paid for the items and the GST to be paid. So amount plus GST is the total amount you have to pay in the cafe, in our Excel cafe. Okay. First of all, I will show you. Here you can see a triangle over present over here. So you can select any of the item from this, like pizza, burger. There is a drop down list created. Suppose you want to have a pizza, and you want to have a quantity of one pizza. Then your quantity and price will be 199 rupees, and your amount is 199. GST at 18% is 35 rupees, and total amount is 234 rupees. You want to have a coffee with this, or a coke with this. Okay, quantity 1. So now you have to the total amount is 239 rupees, GST to be calculated as 43 rupees, and the total amount is 282 rupees you have to pay. So how I have created this Excel drop down list, I will show you. So now I am going to copy this menu to my next Excel sheet, that is sheet 1. Control V. I will adjust the cells. So my menu card is here, and I want order here. I will take this here, and I'm going to color this. So now this is ready. Let's see how can we create a drop down list. To create a drop down list, you have to go to data, click on data validation, and a pop-up will be there. You have to select settings options and click list. You have to choose list, and then you have to choose the source of that list. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to choose the source, that is from pizza to tea. So my source is selected, and I will press OK. Now you can see the triangle shaped like thing is appearing here. You can click on this, and your drop down menu is ready. So I'll repeat for you. Just go to data, click on data validation. It will be any values in the beginning. You have to choose list option and choose your source, then click OK. Okay, so what if you are entering something that is not available in our menu? Suppose you want to have some biryani. So you can see a pop-up. Excel is showing that this value does not match the data validation restrictions defined for this cell. So this is why Excel, we can use the data validation to restrict our customers that you can't order anything. You have to order from our menu card only. So we can edit this drop down menu also, like you can go to data validation, then go to input message. You can choose title like order, and you can write some messages. Place your order here. Place your order here. And you can also create an error message. You can change the icon to be appeared, like you want to inform something to your customer. So choose information, title is order, and error message. You can write your order is not available, so please choose from the menu, sorry, from the menu, and click OK. So now you can see another box is appearing here where your name is their order and your description, like place your order here. Click on the drop down list, choose anything, and your order is chosen. So now what if you want to change your order from chow mein to biryani again? Okay, see, the message output is now changed. Now it is showing an information icon, and it is written over here like your order is not available, please choose from the menu. So you can click OK, or you can get cancel, you can take some help also, click OK. You can also use Excel shortcut keys, like you can press on Alt, hold it, and press the down arrow. So you can see the drop down list is appearing in your screen, and you can use the arrow keys like upside and downside and press enter to choose any of the item like burger. So that is how you can use the shortcut keys also. So this is how I have created the Excel drop-down list for these cells. I have just created one Excel drop-down list and copied it for the rest of the cells. Okay, now I will show you how I have calculated the price for that item and the total amount, how I have calculated with the amount of GST. Okay, so to calculate the price of that item that is present over the cells, I have used combination of three functions, that is if, ISERROR, and Vlookup. Okay, so you can see in if statement I have used logical test ISERROR Vlookup of the value of the price of that item, and if it is true, if there is any error, then it will show us 0 the price, and if there is no error, then it will look up for the price of that item, and it will multiply it with the quantity of that item also, that is 3 or anything, whatever the customer will choose. Okay, so it will multiply with it, and the total amount for that item will be appear in that cell. Okay, so I will show you how it is working. Suppose I'm looking for the price of that item, that is pizza. So I'll use VLOOKUP value I have to choose, that is my this cell. I will use cell references. So I have used dollar sign with E only. Then I have to choose the table array, that is from B8 to C16. Okay, I'll fix this totally because it's not going to be changed, and I will choose the column index, that is second column. You can see this is one column, first column, and this is the second column. So I'll choose 2, and I want exact match. So now you can see it is showing the price of pizza is 199 rupees. I can easily multiply with it, the quantity, multiply with quantity, and I can use cell reference for this also, and now you can see the same amount it is appearing over here. But what if there is no item present in the cell? If customer have not chosen any item, so it will show it is not applicable. Okay, here in this cell you can see the price is showing 0. Okay, but in this cell it is showing not applicable. So how I have managed this, I have used the if condition with ISERROR statement. I am looking for, is there any kind of error, uh, is e is error sorry is error, then we look up for this value. I'll omit this. Okay, now if there is an error because there is no item selected, that is why it is showing there is an error, that is true, I will use this condition in my if statement. I'll use if is error, if there is any error, then it will show me the price is 0, otherwise it will show me the price, we look up, that is the lookup value, price, multiply with it by the quantity. Okay, now close the bracket and press enter. Now it is showing 0. Simply copy and select the rest of the cells, paste. So now you can choose any item like burger, and quantity is 2. You want to have 2 burgers with 1 coke. Your total amount is 298 rupees 40 rupees. Okay, and total amount I have selected sum function I have used to calculate the total amount. Okay, so equals to sum. You can also uh, use the shortcut key, that is alt plus equal to, and you can uh, fix the cell references and press enter. So it is now showing the amount, that is 338 rupees. And to calculate GST over the amount, you have to simply write down the formula, that is cell H17, fix that cell, multiply it with 18%, and it will calculate the amount of GST. Simply add these two cells like amount and GST, press enter, and it will show the total amount the customer have to pay. This is how I have used the formulas and functions to calculate the total amount that will be appearing in the bill and customer have to pay to you. So this is how you can also create your menu if you are working in any kind of cafe, or you are the owner, or you are the manager of that cafe. So you can use these tricks, and you can also import some images from your net or from your computer to decorate your Excel sheet. You can also print it. Press Ctrl plus P, select the printable area from your Excel sheet. Currently I have selected the total area, that is why it is appearing in the print in the print sheet. It is appearing totally, but you can also choose only the billing section to print only. Okay.
I hope you have liked my video. So you can change the styles of the tables. You can import some more images to decorate your Excel sheet, and you can make it more attractive, creative, and whatever you want. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you in my next videos.